And here on the channel, I've already shared some techniques with you to always have hot numbers, lucky numbers. Some of them or based on your name, your birth date, and a recent one was the luck cross. And today I want to bring you a new technique, a technique where you can check your lucky numbers daily. It's simple, but you need to do some calculations. So, it's important for you to pay close attention to each of these calculations we're going to do here so you can understand. Alright, so stick around until the end of this video so you can clear up all your doubts and be able to. Yeah, from this moment on, you can make your own luck pyramid and discover your lucky numbers. So you can do this for dates, like, for example, today. We're going to do it for today, but it can also be for tomorrow or the next few days. You can also create your own luck pyramid to find out what your lucky numbers are using the pyramid for your birth date, okay? You can also include your date. Regardless of that, you can use any date here to find out your hot numbers, the numbers that can somehow help you. Alright, I invite you to watch this video until the end, leave your super like, comment, and share. And, most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you can keep receiving new content, important content that will help you in some way. Just a tip for those of you who always want to have lucky numbers. Every day at 10 a.m., we go live here. The lucky numbers of the day. So, beyond the lucky numbers, through the luck cross, we started with the lucky numbers for the lottery, which they say is easy, right? Alright, let's go. So let's focus here on our luck pyramid. How is it going to be done? First, you put the date you want, okay. You place it here at the top, and you use a little piece of paper. I'm going to use this blank one here, okay. Let's go. I'm going to put today's date at the top. However, you can use the date of any day, right? For tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. Alright, regardless of the date you see here. This is an example. Notice that when you have a sum of numbers that equals, for example, 7 plus 5 gives you 12, right? This is when you have a number here, for example, 12, 13, 14, right? 20. Numbers with 2 digits and the result of a sum. You're going to reduce it to the number on the right, for example. In this case, 7 plus 5 is 12, right? If we get the number 12, you're going to drop 1 and just keep the number 2. For example, when you have the number 10, you're going to drop 1 and end up with 0. When you have a sum that results in 20, you're going to drop the 2 and end up with 0. This reduction that we're going to be using here, when we get close to some numbers, okay, it's above 10. Starting from 10, right? Alright. Let's go then. How is this sum going to happen here? Pay close attention. You're going to add one number to the next. This with this, this with this, this with this, plus this, this, plus this, this, plus this. It's simple. And then you keep reducing until we form the lucky pyramid that you'll see at the end, alright? Alright, let's go, then. 1 plus 3, you're already going to reduce it to 4, right? 3 plus 0, 3. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 0, 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So here we have our first line, which is below today's date or the date. Whatever you put in, alright? Alright, then, let's keep going. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 7, 10. You're going to exclude, like I said, the number on the left and keep the one on the right. This is the reduction that we're going to be using here. 0, so, alright. 7 plus 9, 16. You have 1 and 6. You're going to drop the 1 and just keep the 6. 9 plus 2, 11. You're going to drop the 1 on the left and keep the 1 on the right. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 4, 6. Alright, we've finished the next line here, and we're going to reduce it until we get down to just one number. Okay, so we're going to get our pyramid of luck here, continuing here. So, 7 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 666 plus 171 plus 454 plus 6 gives us 10. Drop that and it stays at 0. That's it. Let's keep going here. So, 7 plus 6, 13. I'm going to drop the 1, and it will just be 6. Plus 7, 13. Drop the 1, and it stays at 3. 7 plus 5, 12. Drop the 1, and you get 2, right. 5 plus 0, 5. Alright, it's narrowing down, so here is our luck pyramid. And we're getting here. Numbers, number combinations, right. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. It's narrowing down. Alright, let's go. 6 plus 5, 11. 5 plus 7. 12, drop the 1, and you just have the 2. And to wrap up our pyramid, we now have this here. So, 1 plus 2 is 3. So, 4. This date, you have the following luck pyramid, okay. I'm going to use this red pencil just to show you how it looks. Ah, got it. So, this is the luck pyramid. This indicates that you're going to have hot numbers here in the following way. Okay, you can make the following combinations. For example, the 3 could be it. A lucky number. For you is 12, 57, 65, 33, 25, 50, 67, 61, 46, 24, and 22. That is, you go and look at these numbers. It's done with care. We always do this, right? So, follow your intuition, you know. For these numbers, take a good look at the combinations that catch your eye. A lot of times you can just take it like this. So, from 2 and 243, the 25, the 12, the 3, the 75, the 61, the 46, or 24. You keep selecting those numbers. You can also select hundreds here, like 767, 922, 657, 332. You can also select thousands, like 7,061. It's 1,000. I can take 4,379 here, the other 1,000. I can also take 6,750. You told me, look, there are a lot of numbers. I want certain ones. Well, folks, here's the deal. These are hot numbers are going to bring you luck. You know that each person has their own luck. They make their own luck. This is some help, right? A technique that will help you get hot numbers with a great chance and probability of working is the techniques I teach. And here on the channel, you know there's a 0 to 70% chance of one of these numbers, some of these combinations coming out. So here's a tip for you if you want to do it. If you want to do it for your birthday, you can do it by following this sequence, adding up. That's it. Keep reducing and doing it until you find the last number. Alright, so that's it. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, leave your like. It's a way to motivate me to bring more and more new techniques and knowledge, so that way, you'll always be supported on the Gratitude channel. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later, bye-bye.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.